Hi kids! Are you ready to discover one of the most unexpected and unusual art movements in the 20th century? We're gonna be heading to Italy together. To be specific, Milan to meet a group of artists that between one foray to another gave life to Futurism. It's going to be a journey on learning progress, speed, and painting, sculpture, graphics, photography, cinema, architecture, poetry, cuisine, and if you have anything else that come to mind, go ahead. Shocking paintings and bizarre words. We're going to meet the main figures, and we'll get on about Balla's paintings, the Marinetti's verses, and also Tullio Crowley's big passion for aircrafts. We'll bump into Boccioni's metallic subjects and in De Pero's famous publicities he made for Martini. We'll be cooking Futurist chicken and build a city where it's actually a huge factory. You're all ready to become one of the most dynamic artists in the world?